What is good, everybody? It's your boy Moise, and today I'm back at the Rideshare Hub. It is a beautiful day out here in New York City, but it is freezing. It snowed yesterday night. Today's probably like 16, 17 degrees, but honestly, it feels a lot colder than that. But I'm out here in Manhattan working right now, but taking a little break so I can make this video for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how much an Uber Black driver makes out here in New York City. But before I start talking about all of that, I need you guys to do me a favor and hit this video with a huge thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, because if you are a rideshare driver, if you are part of the rideshare community, if you want to start driving, or even if you're just curious about how the whole rideshare business works, this is the place to be. So make sure you go and hit that subscribe button right now. Also, do me a favor, I am a personal development expert. I teach mental health, physical wellness, spiritual growth, and financial freedom. So if you are into any of those subjects, do me a favor and check out my channel, which is linked in the description below. I also have linked below the app called Upside. Upside is a dope app. If you are a rideshare driver, if you spend a lot of time on the road, you have to download this app. This app will literally give you anywhere up to 30 cents back per gallon that you purchase. So all you have to do is refer your friends, and every time you go to the gas station, take a picture of your receipt, and they will literally give you cash back on the gas that you are buying. So make sure you check that out, linked in the description below. Last thing before we get into the video, if you are a Uber Black, Lyft Black, or limo driver out in New York City or Atlanta, please make sure you comment down below or DM me on Instagram for some possible opportunity. Now let's get to the part that you guys are really here for. How much does a New York City Uber/Lyft driver, Black Uber Lyft driver, make? So honestly, if you are a Uber or Lyft Black driver out in New York City, you can make a lot of money. If you're actually into working and you're hustling, there is a lot of money out here to be made. So I'm going to be taking you guys through a day where I only worked Lyft. Now the reason that I chose this day is because it's just easier to show you guys everything on one app rather than going back and forth to Uber. But normally this would be distributed between Uber and Lyft, but on this specific day I ended up just getting consistent work from Lyft. I kept working Lyft, so I chose this day to show you guys, to give you an idea of how much Black drivers out in New York City make. So here we have it, Saturday, December 14th. As you can see that right there, $316.84 is what I made throughout the day. I worked for 5 hours and 45 minutes, which averages out to more than $50 freaking an hour. If you're making $50 an hour, you ain't got much to complain about, bruh. So I'm going to take you through the actual day, right? So as you can see, I started work at 6:50 in the morning. I got my first Black ride, but that asshole canceled on me, which, you know, normally when that happens early in the morning, I assume that, yo, like, today's not gonna be such a good day. But I was lucky that he canceled on me, because the next ride that I got was a Newark airport ride from Manhattan. Now look, I got $89.75 for a 25-minute ride. That is freaking insane. That's like a $360 hour if you were to actually average it out. But as you can see, so we get paid 63 cents a minute, we get paid $2.05 a mile, and we get a base fare of $5.21. Now, the thing I really like about Uber Black out in New York City specifically, I'm not sure if it's like this everywhere, the Uber Black riders in New York City are very generous. Like, they leave you tips all the time, and sometimes you get lucky with like a $50, $60 tip on a short ride, just because people in New York got money. People in New York are very wealthy, and they're very generous as well when it comes to rideshare. So as you can see, it took me 25 minutes to complete this ride. It was a 13-mile ride. I got $16 for time, $26 for distance, and then an $18 tip, and then $20 on toll, making the ride a $89.75 ride, which is an amazing start to the day. Now, after that, I took a regular Lyft. The reason I took a regular Lyft is because Newark is in Jersey. Now, if I go out to New Jersey, it's really hard for me to get a Uber or Lyft Black ride back into New York City. So what I normally do is I'll turn on all my options just so I can get something back, simply so I can make the toll. I don't want to pay the toll coming back into New York City. So if you do turn on your Uber or Lyft regular option, there's always, and I mean always, people coming into New York City from Jersey. So I turned it on. I got $31. As you can see, that's a $20 toll, but the total of the ride was $31. I paid 11 bucks in toll, got back into the city, and got right back to work. Now, as you can see, at 8:21 a.m. I took a local 539. It wasn't a black ride, it was a regular. I simply had forgotten to turn off my regular option, so I ended up taking a local, which I didn't mind. I remember that dude was actually pretty cool, and you know, he gave me good vibes, so I didn't mind. But anyways, then I turned off my Lyft option, and I got another Lux Black for $16.61 in 9 minutes. Moving forward, I got another Lyft Black out to Newark, which is a really, it doesn't happen every day, but it was a really good day. I got another Newark, so I took him out to Newark Airport from Manhattan and got $95.24 in 30 minutes in 15 miles. I got $30 for distance, $19 for time, $5 for the base fare, $20 because it was surging, and then I got $20 for toll, making it a $95 ride. Now, as you can see, I was making money pretty freaking fast. Like, this was a really good day. But anyways, I'm back out in Jersey. I pick up a regular Lyft out in Jersey, bring it back to New York, and got $30.73. Now, here's the thing with driving Uber or Lyft Black out in New York City. Honestly, sometimes you go a really long time without getting a ride. So as you can see, from 10:31 to 11:14, I was idle. So I picked up another Lux Black at 11:14 for 25 bucks. It was a local in the city, took me 21 minutes, 3 miles, and I got 34 bucks. And whoever it was a pretty generous person, because they gave me an $8.98 tip, making it a $32 ride, $33 ride, which is not bad for like 20 minutes, right? Anyways, to end the day off, I got another local, which was $13.78. I got a $3.24 surge, making it about $17 ride, bringing it out to $317 in 5 hours and 45 minutes. Now, I think this is probably a better average than most cities out there. If I wanted to, I could have kept on working, but I remember I didn't really feel like working this day and I hit my goal. So I was like, all right, let me not get greedy. Let me go home and actually rest, because honestly, drivers out in New York City be working. We be hustling, man. We're out in the streets all day, in and out of blocks, picking people up here, dropping them off there. It's just a grind out here in New York City. But yeah, so I decided I was gonna get some rest. But I'm sure on this specific day, if I had kept on working, I could have easily made it a $500 day, because I was getting rides back to back, which isn't normal every day. Now, I also don't want to paint a facade for you guys and make you think that it's like this every day, because it's honestly not. As you guys could see, it was a Saturday, it was a weekend, so you know, Uber and Lyft are usually pretty busy on the weekends no matter where you are. But it was also a pretty busy weekend for Black. Now, working regularly for Uber Black and Lyft Black, you do normally get work, but there are times and there are days where you will sit for 3 hours and not get a single ride. So the truth about it is you probably make just a little more money than Uber and Lyft regular. The only thing is it's less work. The rides you do are much more juicy rides. You get paid more, you get better tips. They're probably going longer distance, but on average, you probably make just a little bit more in Uber and Lyft Black than you do in regular Uber and Lyft out in New York City. There's literally been days where I worked like 10 hours and made 200 bucks because I wasn't getting Uber Black or Lyft Black rides. And honestly, at this point, I don't like turning on regular Uber or Lyft because I'm spoiled. Like, once I started driving for Uber Black and Lyft Black, it makes me not want to drive regular Uber and Lyft because I'm used to getting paid more for rides. So yeah, doing Uber Black and Lyft Black out in New York City, you normally end up working with bases as well. You don't just work with Uber and Lyft, you work with limo companies and pick up rides for them. On that specific day, I didn't pick up any rides from a limo company. That was straight a Lyft day, and I probably do have a ride that I did on Uber, maybe 1 or 2 rides which are probably just locals, but you end up making pretty good money working with Uber Black, Lyft Black, and then working with limo companies as well. I would say that if you spend about 10 hours on the road, you can probably average $40 to $50 an hour on average. So you wouldn't make that every day. Some days you'd make more, some days you make less, but on average you'd probably average around $40 to $50 an hour driving for Uber Black and Lyft Black. Now I also want you guys to remember that, I know that sounds like a lot of money, but New York living expense in New York is really high. If you're renting a black car, the rent is anywhere up to $450 to $500 a week, plus about $30 a day on gas. Living expenses and your rent are much higher. Your food expenses are much higher. For you to go out and do anything, your expenses are much higher. The only reason I say this is because I feel like people paint a golden picture of making money in New York, and you do make a lot of money out here in New York City, but don't be mistaken, you also have a lot of freaking expenses. You're spending money literally every hour of the day. Like anywhere you go, you have to spend money. To park at a meter in Manhattan will cost you $12 an hour. Just think about that, $12 an hour just to park your car. Like that's a lot of freaking money. But anyways, I do think that you can save up a good amount of money working Uber Black, Lyft Black, and limo services out here in New York. I think it's a good opportunity for anybody trying to save up money. I think it's a good opportunity for anybody trying to get by with their family. I think it's a good opportunity for someone who wants to be an independent contractor. There is a lot of money to be made out here in New York City. I'm also curious to know, as far as you guys, do you guys drive black? And what city do you drive black in? Comment down below what city you are a driver in, or whether you drive Uber Black, Lyft Black, limo, or if you just drive regular. Let me know what city you're from and how much you average on a daily basis. Also, if you are specifically from Atlanta and you drive Uber Black, please comment below or DM me on Instagram for some possible opportunity. Anyways, I appreciate you all watching this video. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and check out my channel as well. I am going to get back to work, start making this money again, but I will catch you guys right here next week at the Rideshare Hub. Peace.